Top 5 Best Vacuum Cleaner in 2025. Hi guys, are looking for the best vacuum cleaner. If you received a new vacuum cleaner, you are in the right place. In this video we are going to review the top 5 best vacuum cleaner on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading reviews and orders. Number 1. The Aspirateur VC205 Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful and efficient tool for cleaning surfaces like carpets, upholstery, and hard floors. Its 27,000 PA suction power allows for deep cleaning, while its cordless design allows for quick, on-the-go cleaning. The touch screen offers easy control of settings, modes, and battery status. The smart dust sensor automatically adjusts suction power based on dust or dirt levels, ensuring optimal performance without wasting energy. The automatic speed control helps manage battery and cleaning efficiency. The vacuum is designed for multiple surfaces, allowing it to handle tasks like deep cleaning carpets and refreshing bed linens. Number 2. The INSE Wireless Vacuum Cleaner is a cordless vacuum designed for household cleaning with 20 kPa suction power, a removable battery, and a large dustbin. It offers convenience with its strong suction power, making it suitable for hard floors and carpets. The removable battery allows for easy replacement, making it suitable for longer cleaning sessions or when the original one degrades. The large dustbin reduces trips to the trash, allowing for longer cleaning sessions without interruptions. The cordless design ensures flexibility and ease of movement, making it an ideal choice for homes with multiple rooms or stairs. Number 3. The Rechargeable BR151 Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a smart vacuum designed for efficient home cleaning, particularly for pets or carpets. It has a 4,500 pascals suction power, making it effective in picking up debris, dust, and pet hair from carpets, hardwood, and tiles. It also features Wi-Fi connectivity, Alexa integration, and a pet hair focus for specific brushes. The powerful suction is suitable for carpet cleaning, pulling out dirt and debris embedded in fibers. The smart home integration allows users to program or trigger cleanings with voice commands or apps. Number 4. The INSE Wireless Vacuum Cleaner is a cordless vacuum cleaner with 20 kPa suction power, making it efficient for hard floors and carpets. It features a removable battery for longer cleaning sessions or if the battery loses capacity. The large dustbin reduces emptying trips, making it convenient during extended cleaning sessions. The cordless design offers better mobility and easier storage compared to traditional vacuums with long power cords. This vacuum is ideal for quick cleanups and is suitable for households without a cord. Number 5. A stick cordless vacuum cleaner is a versatile, rechargeable device designed for quick cleanups and hard-to-reach areas. It features a cordless design, allowing easy storage and portability. The rechargeable battery provides 30 to 45 minutes of cleaning time, making it ideal for dark corners or hard-to-reach areas. The powerful suction is suitable for picking up dirt, dust, and debris on various surfaces. Many stick vacuums can be converted into handheld devices for furniture, upholstery, or cars, and offer multiple attachments for different cleaning needs.